Okay, so if we're creating this graphic organizer, we're trying to see if we can make the triangles fit both of these. We tried doing the equilateral and right triangle. And with a right triangle, can I have all sides the same?
No.
No, because this side right here is always going to be longer. So I cannot have a right equilateral triangle. Okay, so let's try an equilateral acute.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do all sides the same length, and do I have acute angles?
Yes.
Yes, so I can do that. Let's draw that in the box. So I can have an equilateral acute angle, a triangle. Okay, can I have an equilateral obtuse triangle?
No.
Let's draw an obtuse angle. Are all sides going to be the same?
No.
No, so is that going to work?
No.
Nope, so I cannot have an equilateral obtuse angle. That just won't work.
You put an X on the.
You can put an X there if you'd like.
So there can only be. I mean, if you say there's an equilateral triangle, it's probably gonna most likely have acute angles.
Yes. Equilateral triangles will have acute angles. Yes. Always. Okay. Scalene. What is scalene? No sides the same.
It's for all of them. No sides the same.
Can I have a scalene right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yep. So that works. I can do that. So I'm gonna go back. Let's say this is 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. That works. Or I can draw on this one. I can have the lines. Remember? So that'll work both ways. All right. Go ahead and add that in there so you remember it. Yep, I can make any type of triangle. So I can have a scalene right. Ooh, can I have a scalene acute?
Yes.
All right. All angles just have to be what? Acute.
That looks like a
I don't know. Let's see. I need different lengths.
I made one, but you were going to take care of it. It's too long.
Okay, there we go. All angles are acute, and they're all different lengths.
That looks like a mini obtuse.
Okay, can we do an obtuse scalene?
Yes.
Yep. Let's draw an obtuse. Obtuse scalene. So I can have a right, acute, and obtuse scalene triangle. They all work. could have this side and this side be the same, and that side would be different. So I'd still have a right triangle. This side and this side would be the same, but that one is different. So I could do 3 meters, 3 meters. This one would be. So that works. Could be what? Can I have an isosceles acute triangle?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So I could have tall, skinny triangle. Are all the sides, are two sides the same length?
No.
This side, this one's different. Are all my angles acute? Yep. Alright, we do an obtuse isosceles triangle.
Yes.
Yep, we could have this side and this side be the same length. Then the long side across would be different. Because I still have my obtuse angle right there. Okay, do we have any questions? Does this make sense?
Yes.
How to classify it by angles and sides? We can do it at the same time. So we have one for all except for an equilateral right or an equilateral obtuse. So all the rest we can have except for those two. Make sense? Question? This is in your activity workbook. We might get to it just in a little bit, so hold on. So let's look at our homework real quick so that we know what this is. And then we can go back and sort those. Okay, your homework is on page 131. So what you're going to do, you are going to name each triangle by its angles and then by its sides. So let's look at the first one. What angle do I have?
Right.
A right triangle. So it's right. And then what sides do I have? Scalene, because none of the sides are the same. So right, scalene. So at the top underneath your name, if you want to write down the angles, it would be right, acute, obtuse. The sides are what? Isosceles, scalene, and equilateral. Okay, so you have to tell me both of them. You have to name it by its angles and by its sides. So we named it here by its angles, here by its sides. So that's what you're doing for problems 1 through 9. Questions about that part? Okay, let's look at problem 10. Describe how acute, obtuse, and right angles are different. You can tell me, why are they different? Because of the what measurement?
The degree.
The degree. Okay. Okay, the then describe for me how scalene, isosceles, and equilateral triangles are different. Okay? Equilateral. Oh, does an isosceles always have to be acute angles? So you're asking?
Is it an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle too? Is it not?
It could be. But an isosceles triangle, exactly two sides. That's it. An equilateral, exactly three sides. So no, I don't think it would classify. Okay. Questions about your homework? Understand? Okay. Take your math notebook home if you need to. The chart that we just made, the types of triangles, to help you solve your problems if you need.